Hello folks, this is Scott with Dallas Paint Correction and Luxury Microfiber here in Dallas, Texas. I'm using my MV925 and my Comet Power Washer, going to clean my wheels. My car is pretty well maintained, right? And I bought this nozzle at Northern Tool. I want to talk about it here in a minute, but before I get that far, if I'm working on a car that's got, it's well maintained, I'm washing it on a regular basis, a 40-degree nozzle, like the white nozzles on the end of these guns, is sufficient to kind of clean the wheel, the tire, and even the wheel well. But there are times as a pro, I don't want to be using something like a real aggressive nozzle that's got like a stream straight sniper shot. That's just too much pressure to apply to the clear-coated wheel. But I may have the wheel well that's got lots of debris inside of it, and I want more pressure, I want more of a streamlined shot, but I don't want to keep switching nozzles. This nozzle here at Northern Tool allows you to go from 40 degrees all the way down to pretty intense. Get a load of this. So you can see me going from 40 degrees and then getting really aggressive in the wheel well. That's really nice to be able to do that with just a turn of a wrist, a turn of a nozzle, instead of having to switch out nozzles all the time. It can be helpful, We don't want to be shooting a straight line shot of high pressure on the clear-coated wheel, because it could compromise the clear coat, a little bit too much pressure, but we may need it in some wheel wells that are really neglected. So without having to change nozzles, I bought this thing at Northern Tool. It's really, really cool. Not only does it change the fan and the spread, but it also kind of lets you go from low to high pressure by pulling on the nozzle. I keep it in the high pressure phase. When it's pushed down on the gun, it seems to work just fine. And then I just go from there, but really, really cool. And I can get really aggressive in that wheel well where it's less sensitive, right? Plastic or some of that felt material. I bought this thing at Northern Tool. I know there's a lot of them out there, but this bin's working great for me for several months. I paid $24.99 for it at Northern Tool. It's made by a company called Power Horse. You guys should be able to find it. Just wanted to share it with you. Pretty cool little tool, ain't it? Stops you from switching nozzles all the time. That could be a pain in the butt. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.